Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last weekend I ran into the son of one of my neighbours. He's 19 now and he was back in London for a short break from university where he's just starting his next year. As we were chatting, it was good to find out how he was getting on with his degree, but he also had a few problems because he'd just split up from his first serious girlfriend. They'd been living together and she left him and he's basically heartbroken about it. As I said to my wife later, he seemed seriously cut up about it. If you say that someone's cut up about something, you basically mean that they're feeling very, very sad and upset about something. So maybe you meet an old friend of yours who's lost their job and they're really cut up about it. Or maybe one of your pets dies and you're really cut up about it. Perhaps someone's grandmother dies and they're so cut up about it they spend the whole day crying. Maybe you work in an office and someone gets a phone call and you can see the impact it has on them. And as you're chatting later, you might say to a colleague, I don't know what that phone call was about, but it must have been something pretty bad because he seems really cut up about it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use cut up about.